Well, hello there, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making crab in a Chinese sauce. Let's begin. Here I took a 4 medium-sized crab, all cleaned, and put it in a hot boiling water with some salt for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And these are all the ingredients, and 2 red chili was added. I took 2 of green onion sprig and separate the white part and the green part. In the hot oil, first add the white part of the green onion, fry it a bit, then add the chopped garlic and red chili. Now one by one add coriander leaves, green onion parts and the red capsicum we chopped, and fry them for a while until it's get fragrant. Add salt to season, and then I am taking 1 tablespoon of corn flour in half cup of water, but I am going to add 1 cup more water with this slurry. So do remember this is 1 cup plus half cup and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now I am adding the already blanched crab, and I'm not adding this shell part, though it has more fat inside it, but we don't eat it, it feels smelly for us, so I'm just adding the parts of the crab. And now I'm seasoning with salt. Always add the salt as per your taste. And it's time for a stir it now. You need help of 2 spatula, it will be easy. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and again stir. In total I stirred the crab for 8 to 9 minutes. Then I add the slurry, that I add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce in it, and then I cook the crab in that sauce for 3 to 5 more minutes. When I see the sauce is going too thick, I took the crab out, put aside, and then I will make the sauce even better. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and 1 small teaspoon of vinegar to balance the taste in the sauce, and check for the seasoning. If you need more salt or sugar, please add it as per your taste. You can go more spicy in here, but I have a small family member, so not much spicy for us. Then you take 1 whole egg, beat it up lightly, and add in already thickened gravy. When the gravy is thick, then only you please add this egg mixture. Then the gravy even come more thicker and nicer. Once you are done making this egg drop slurry sauce, you quickly switch off the gas. Now our sauce is ready. I pour that on the crab, and then we can just serve with some mantau.